Introducing the Amcrest IP8M 2496E 4K PoE Bullet Camera. This outdoor 4K camera delivers stunning ultra-high definition video in 4K resolution, featuring enhanced low-light capability, utilizing the latest Sony Starvis 8-megapixel image sensor and Ambarella chipset. Cover more ground with a super-wide 112-degree viewing angle to keep more of what matters to you safe. Take an even closer look with 16x digital zoom. Power over Ethernet allows for easy installation with the use of a required PoE injector or switch. Receive intelligent motion alert notifications and review footage via your smartphone with the Amcrest View app. Record events on this outdoor PoE camera as soon as they happen and store them on your computer, microSD card, NAS, Amcrest NVR, FTP, or Amcrest Cloud with 7, 14, and 30-day plans. View the live feed and play back your videos on a PC or Mac using compatible software and browsers. Whether it's rain or shine, day or night, this outdoor 4K camera is built to weather any storm and the darkest of nights with a heavy-duty metal IP67 weatherproof housing. Illuminate the dark with built-in IR LEDs and a Sony Starvis 8-megapixel progressive image sensor to achieve unsurpassed low-light capability with night vision up to 131 feet. Dual video compression allows for maximum encoding with the latest H.265 technology, which reduces file size, resulting in more efficient storage, while using less bandwidth for your video stream, as well as having backwards compatibility with legacy H.264 platforms. This Amcrest PoE camera features a secure SSL HTTPS connection, FCC and CE certificates, and receives regular firmware updates. At Amcrest, we want to ensure the safety of our customers, their loved ones, homes, and businesses. We stand by our products and provide lifetime support. Amcrest, simple, reliable, secure.
Introducing Reolink Argus PT, the completely wireless pan-tilt security camera providing all-round home protection, easily connected to Wi-Fi and charged by battery or solar power. Entirely wire-free installation at your front or backyard, right under the roof, or even in the rain. Smooth pan and tilt right on your phone. Cover almost every angle and every corner. When motion is detected, you get notified instantly.
Can I help you?
See color videos even at night. Watch your beloved family members and be a part of them.
I'll be right home.
Wherever you are. Reolink Argus PT, the 100% wire-free battery or solar-powered pan-tilt security camera. Added peace of mind in every corner around your home and neighborhood.
Lorix continues to innovate with the introduction of a new bullet-style camera to its IP2K lineup. The LNB4173 is housed in a full metal heavy-duty aluminum chassis, the same material used in the construction of airplanes. It can be mounted vertically or horizontally, indoors or outdoors. The base of the camera has foam backing to ensure a weather-tight seal if mounted outside. The cable notch allows an exit for surface mounting. The solid metal chrome articulating ball allows the user to easily adjust the angle and direction that the camera is pointing. The 4173 is fully weatherproof and is IP66 rated and can operate in temperatures as low as -22 Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The camera itself is a 4-megapixel sensor offering 2K resolution, double that of HD 1080p. The 4173 utilizes PoE or power over Ethernet with the need for only one cable to supply power, video, and audio if available. The 4173 is equipped with 18 infrared LEDs, which allows the camera to provide up to 130 feet of night vision and a large field of view of 83 degrees, ideal for wide open areas like a backyard. The 4173 is packed with features including HDR or high dynamic range technology, This ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details from dark to light. The camera is also equipped with DNR, or digital noise reduction, to filter out noise created from low light settings. DNR not only reduces noise, but can also reduce the video file sizes on the storage device. Like many Lorex cameras, the LNB4173 employs HEVC, or High Efficiency Video Codec, H.265, which helps to keep file sizes small yet maintain high video quality. Included in the package are mounting screws and hollow wall anchors, a template for hole placement, a quick start guide outlining safety precautions and installation options, a 24-hour surveillance window sticker, and a 100-foot Cat5e cable are both included in the kit. The cable features a secure locking connector to prevent accidental disconnection. The Lorex LNB4173 is a feature-packed professional-grade camera for all your security needs.
Introducing the Amcrest Smart Home wire-free battery security camera with Smart Hub. This surveillance system comes with the Amcrest Smart Hub and your choice of 1 or 2 battery cameras, and is expandable up to 6 battery cameras. This outdoor security camera is equipped with a long-lasting rechargeable battery that can last up to 6 months on a single charge. 100% wire-free cameras let you position your cameras anywhere with ease. Experience stunning 1080p HD video resolution from anywhere in the world. This wireless security camera system features an extra-wide 110-degree view, allowing you to cover every angle. The battery security camera features a built-in microphone and speaker for two-way audio, allowing you to talk and listen to visitors. Receive motion detection alerts via email or push notifications from your smart home camera. And instantly review recorded footage directly from your smartphone using the Amcrest Smart Home app. Securely store your HD footage to the Amcrest Smart Home Cloud with an included free 1-year Smart Home Cloud subscription, or store directly to your Smart Hub using a local USB up to 2 terabytes. Enjoy basic live view compatibility with Amcrest View Pro. This Amcrest outdoor wireless security camera features a heavy-duty IP65 weatherproof housing to protect against rain and dust. The Wi-Fi IP camera's built-in IR LEDs can achieve night vision capability up to 16 feet, allowing you to see clear 1080p footage even in the dark. This Amcrest outdoor Wi-Fi security camera features an IEEE 802.11 BGN connection. The Smart Hub operates on a hardwired Ethernet connection directly to your router. At Amcrest, we want to ensure the safety of our customers, their loved ones, homes, and businesses. We stand by our products and provide lifetime support. Amcrest, simple, reliable, secure.
Bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum ba-dum bum.
Abaco.